Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today we have an RC car damper, American, or shock absorber for some of the other world, basically stand. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It helps you when you're filling oil into your shocks, dampers. I'll call them dampers from now, I think. And it works incredibly well. I packed it back up, but I have actually used this. But I wanted to show you how you put it together, because there may be some people that are like, well, it's a bit confusing, but it is not. It's very, very simple because it's all on the back for you anyway. Now this stand comes in at a $4.20 price, which I didn't think was too bad. I will tell you just quickly that I've always used this. You can see that there's holes here, but that resulted or meant that I had to actually take this off and then put it into the hole. And then obviously when I was getting the air out, moving it up and down, many times it just came out of that hole. And of course, when I overfilled, it went and sort of seeped into the wood. I have real problems talking today. I think I need a nice cup of tea. Anyway, so putting it together is a super simple, not that many parts. It goes like that because obviously this is where you put screws and stuff like that, and that ledge there is to stop them falling down any further. So just, you got the edge along there, put it in like so. Nice tight fit. Hold on. Super simple and John gets it wrong. Oh, whoa. So like I say, you push it in, and then the next bit that goes in is this bit with the edge there, you see, and that just slides down and in here. Now it says that it's made by Kyosho, as you can tell, but then you've got the Kyosho logo there, but there is no logo on this here, so I am wondering if this is a aftermarket, should we call it? We'll call it aftermarket, we'll be polite today. Product. That's nice and tight in there. And then the last bit here is obviously the holder at the top. It does go this way and not that way. I thought it didn't matter, but obviously you've got the slight angle there for holding the top of the damper in position. Like so. So, that obviously did not work because you've got the lip there, John. Duh. Screws go like so. If I put it at an angle like that, you'll see. Then your damper goes down like that. And then as you can tell, it doesn't matter what's happening with the shaft there because it's not touching anything and the whole weight isn't resting on it. And then your caps like so. Now obviously with my system, I had nowhere to put caps and stuff like that. So when it came to actually putting the caps on the top, I'm looking around like this. Where did the cap go? Like so. These bits here, obviously there's no holder for that. There's no place for them to go. So I can't help but think if they put a little bit at the side there, you could just, but does it really matter? No, not really. Not really. The most important part is obviously filling this up with oil. Which is, you know, a very simple process to do. So I mean, it does exactly what it says on the tin. As I said, it's just very simple. Fill it with your oil, get rid of the air, leave it there for an hour, tighten it all up, and you're good to go. So I think for $4 US that's actually pretty much a bargain, and it's definitely something that I will be using from this point. This is for 1/10 and smaller. I think 1/8 shocks are just simply not going to fit in here, but I will measure it for you. I could be wrong. I am frequently wrong, so hence why I shall measure it for you. We have a diameter of 15.2 millimeters there. So, and in inches, that is 0.60. So, link will be in the description below for this. Simple, nice, easy. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.